How to buy the Bio protocol token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to people to buy this token, make sure to check their X account before and keep following their updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel too. They include it in their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and keep engaging with this community. Now, this token is available on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now go and open your wallet. For example, I will use BitGet. After that, select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on plus icon, paste the token address here. After that, this is our token. I added before. For you, you will see this plus icon. Just click on it. And after that, go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, this is just click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's how much you receive. And after that, what you need to do, just click on buy, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy your protocol token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.